Good morning to the students of class 5. Students, today again multiplication of decimals. Children, previously you have learned how to multiply the decimals using 10 and multiples of 10. And also you have learned how to multiply the decimal numbers using a single digit whole number. Now in today's class, at first you will learn how to multiply the decimals by 2-digit whole number. Then after that by 3-digit whole number. So let's work out a few sums. Children, the process of multiplication is going to remain same as you multiply the whole numbers. But the concept is that you will have to count the number of digits in the decimal place, then put the decimal place after as many digits from right side to the left side. Alright children, so let's work out a few sums. Sum number A. You will have to multiply 59.28 by 23. So you will write it in this way, 59.28 into 23. Children, first you will have to multiply the first row with the digit in the unit place. You will have to multiply in such a way that no decimal point is there. You will have to multiply as if you are multiplying two whole numbers. So you are multiplying 5928 with 3. So let's multiply. 3 8s are 24, then carry 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. And after that 3 9s are 27, you are writing 7, then carry 2, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 17. Next what you will do is you will have to multiply this first number with the digit in the tens place. That means you are multiplying 5928 with 2. So let's start multiplying. 2 8s are 16. Now children, one thing keep in mind that you will have to leave one place, okay? Leave one place over here. So you are writing 2 8s are 16, 6 carry 1, then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Then 2 9s are 18, 8 carry 1, then 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. Now children, you will have to do the addition. That means you will have to add these two rows. Now here cross you will have to put, that means here nothing is there. So you are adding 4 plus 0, that is 4, 8 plus 6, that is 14, then carry 1, then 7 plus 5, that is 12, 12 plus 1, that is 13, then carry 1, then again 8 plus 7, that is 15, 15 plus 1, that is 16, carry 1, then you have 3, then you have 1. So finally children, you are getting 136,344. Now the question is where to put the decimal point. Now let's come to that concept. Children, here in the first number in the decimal place you have 2 digits, and in the second number in the decimal place you have no digits. Why? Because this is a whole number. So no digits are there means you will have to consider it as 0. So you are adding 2 plus 0, that is 2. Now you will have to put the decimal point counting 2 places from the right side. Here 1 place, here 2 place. So you will have to put the decimal point over here in the answer. So finally you are getting the answer as 1363.44. Done? Now the next sum, you have 0.007 into 28. Now children, again the same process. The first number you will have to add with the number in the unit digit. That means you are adding 0007 into 8. As I have told, you will have to add as you will have to multiply, as you multiply the whole numbers. So here you are multiplying 0007 into 8. So 8 sevens are 56 you are writing. Now 8 zeros are 0, again you have 8 zeros are 0. Then you put a cross over here, and after that you will have to multiply this 0.007 with 2 as if you are multiplying a whole number. That means you are actually multiplying 0007 with 2. So 2 sevens are 14 you are writing. Then after that 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. Now what you will do, you are going to add the 2 rows. That means this one whole you will have to add with this. So 6 plus 0, that is 6, 5 plus 4, that is 9, 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0 plus 0, that is 0. Now here 0 again, so 0. Now children, you will have to place the decimal point in the correct place. See, look over here, that in the first number you have after the decimal point 3 places. That means in the decimal part you have 3 digits. So here you will write 3. That means here you will have to consider 3. Now here in the next case you have 28, which is a whole number of 2 digits. So that means here no decimal point is present, and also no numbers in decimal place. So that means the number of digits in the decimal place we will have to take it as 0. So 3 plus 0, that is 3. So you put the decimal point 3 places from right side to left side. So you count the places. Here 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So you are putting the point over here. Alright. Now children, here in case of multiplication, you will have to always keep in mind that whenever you are multiplying, you will have to multiply as if you are multiplying two whole numbers. Then after that, you will have to put the decimal point in the correct place in the answer line. Right? Now the next sum, 615.3 you are multiplying by 78. Now again the same method, you are first multiplying this 6153 with 8 as if you are multiplying the whole number. As I have told, you will have to ignore the decimal point and multiply. Then you are getting the first row. Then after that you multiply this with 7 and you are getting this. Then after that do the addition, and after adding you are getting 47993.7. Now it is the time to put the decimal point in the answer. So what you will do? Here you have 1 digit in the decimal place, and in the next case you have no digits. So no digits means 0 digits. Now you are adding 1 plus 0, that means 1. So you will have to put the decimal point 1 place from right side to left side. So you count only 1 place. So that means you will have to put the decimal point over here. Alright. So your answer is 47993.4. Now we have a word problem. The question is, if 1 liter of petrol costs rupees 26.37, find the cost of 25 liters of petrol. Now children, you know the cost of 1 liter of petrol, that is rupees 26.37. So the cost of 25 liters of petrol will be rupees 26.37 into 25. So you are doing the multiplication. You can do the multiplication in the rough. Children, I hope that you have understood how to multiply. So you will do the multiplication, and after multiplying you are getting 659.25. So you will write the answer. The cost of 25 liters of petrol is rupees 659.25. Now come to the next sum. The question is, if one book costs rupees 128.75, find the cost of 1 dozen book. 1 dozen book. Now children, you know that 1 dozen means 12 units. So you will write the statements in this way. The cost of 1 book is equals to rupees 128.75. So the cost of 12 books. Why 12 books? Because here you are finding the cost of 1 dozen book. So cost of 12 books will be equals to rupees 128.75 into 12. Now again children, you are doing the multiplication. At first you are going to multiply the first row with the number in the unit digit. You will have to multiply in the way as you multiply the whole numbers. So you are multiplying 2 5s are 10, 0, carry 1. Then you have 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15, then again carry 1. Then 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17, then carry 1. Then again 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then you have 2 1s are 2. Now, so this is done. Now again you will have to multiply this whole thing with the number in the tens place. So this is multiplied with 1, that means the same number you will have to put 1 2 8 7 5. Now you are adding these two rows. Children, you don't forget to keep a cross over here, to put a cross over here. Then you are doing the addition. 0 plus 0, that is 0, 5 plus 5, that is 10, then you carry 1. Then 7 plus 7, that is 15. 7 plus 7, that is 14, and you have plus 1, which is equals to 15. So you write 5, then again you carry 1. 8 plus 5, that is 13, plus 1, which is 14. Then again you carry 1. 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 1, which is 5. Now you have 1 only. Now children, just look at this question. You will have to multiply 128.75. Now here in the first number you have 2 digits after the decimal point. That means in the decimal place you have 2 digits, and here no digit, that means 0. No digits means 0. So that means actually you have 2 plus 0, which is 2. So you are putting the decimal point 2 places from right side to left side. So you are getting 1545, that is rupees 1545. So this is the cost of 1 dozen book. Next question, find the thickness of a layer of 370 sheets if the thickness of one sheet is 0.018 millimeter. Now here again children, you are going to write the statements. The thickness of one sheet equals to 0.018 millimeter. So the thickness of 370 sheets will be 0.018 into 370. So here again you will have to do the multiplication. Now children, in this case you are multiplying with 3 digits. That means you are multiplying the whole number having 3 digits. So at first you will multiply this whole with 0, the number in the unit digit. Then after that in the second row you will have to multiply this whole thing with 7, and again this whole thing you will have to multiply with 3. So the process is going to remain the same, and you have got 3 rows. You have got 3 rows. And also keep in mind children that when you are writing the second row you are putting 1 cross. Then when you are writing the third row you will have to put a cross over here also. That means you can put 2 cross like this. You can put 2 cross. Then start writing the product from here. Alright. Then you are adding. Then you are doing the addition. That means 0 plus 0 plus 0, that means 0. Here you have 6, so you are writing 6. Now 4 plus 2, that is 6. 5 plus 1, that is 6, and 0 plus 0, that is 0. Now we will have to put the decimal point in the correct place. That means here you have, in the first number you have, in the decimal part you have 3 digits. You have 3 digits, and here you have no digits, that means 0. So you are adding 3 plus 0, that is 3. So you will have to put the decimal point 3 digits from right side to left side. So here 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So you are putting the decimal point over here and you are getting the answer as 6.66 millimeters. So the thickness of the layer is 6.66 millimeter. This is your answer. Okay children, so you are going to note down these sums in your classwork notebook. Thank you all for today.